The Honor MagicPad 3 Pro is already turning heads before it's even official. Set to launch next month alongside the Magic 8 series in China, this tablet is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and polished Android slates we've seen in years. From early leaks, it's clear Honor isn't just refreshing last year's design, it's going all in on performance, efficiency, and display quality to challenge the best in the game. If you're a tech lover hunting for the next big thing in tablets, this one deserves your attention. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe and like for more updates just like this. So here's what we know so far. The MagicPad 3 Pro will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, which is the same powerhouse we're seeing in many flagship devices this season. That means we can expect blazing fast multitasking, fluid gaming, and strong AI integration thanks to Qualcomm's latest NPU improvements. The tablet's performance should easily surpass its predecessor, and Honor seems to be aiming directly at users who want a high-end tablet that can double as a productivity tool. Design-wise, leaks from the reliable tipster digital chat station reveal that the MagicPad 3 Pro will feature a massive 13.3-inch LCD panel. It's not OLED, which might disappoint some fans of the previous MagicPad 2, but it's no ordinary LCD either. This display reportedly supports a 165Hz refresh rate with a resolution of 3200 by 2136 pixels. That's an incredibly sharp and fluid screen, perfect for streaming, gaming, and even creative work. Honor's decision to go with LCD might have to do with better brightness and power management this time around. But the most intriguing part is Honor's use of its own self-developed E2 energy efficiency chip, paired with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. That's a clear sign the company is doubling down on optimizing power consumption and thermal management. In real-world use, that could mean longer battery life even under heavy workloads like video editing or gaming. For a large tablet, efficiency is everything, and Honor seems to know it. Speaking of battery life, leaks indicate the MagicPad 3 Pro will carry a massive 12,450 mAh battery. That's laptop-level capacity in a tablet body, which could easily translate to over 15 hours of use on a single charge. Combine that with macOS 10 running out of the box, and you've got a smooth, consistent software experience that aligns perfectly with Honor's ecosystem of devices. It's also likely that this OS will come with enhanced cross-device features similar to Huawei's multi-screen collaboration. In terms of aesthetics, the MagicPad 3 Pro will reportedly be available in 3 colors: floating gold, moon white, and starry sky gray. Each variant gives off a premium vibe, and based on Honor's recent design language, we can expect sleek metal finishes and ultra-thin bezels. It's clear the company is trying to create something that appeals to both professionals and entertainment enthusiasts alike. Now, there's been some discussion online about the decision to stick with an LCD panel instead of OLED. Some users argue that the MagicPad 2's OLED display was perfect, offering deeper blacks and punchier colors. However, others point out that a well-tuned LCD with a high refresh rate can still deliver excellent visuals, especially when paired with strong brightness and calibration. In short, Honor might be trading deep contrast for improved overall usability and efficiency. Beyond the display debate, this tablet is clearly built for people who want versatility. Whether it's note-taking, content creation, or media consumption, the combination of high refresh rate, massive battery, and flagship chip makes it suitable for almost any workload. The addition of the E2 energy efficiency chip also shows Honor is thinking beyond raw specs, focusing instead on sustained performance over time. The leaks also suggest that this launch will coincide with the debut of the Magic 8 smartphone series, which will share the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 platform. That means Honor is pushing for a unified premium experience across its product range, something that could attract more users to its ecosystem, especially those who prefer seamless device integration between phone and tablet. All signs point to the MagicPad 3 Pro being a serious upgrade that refines the MagicPad formula with smarter hardware choices and more balanced performance. It's a bold move for Honor, and one that could position it as a real contender against Samsung and Xiaomi in the premium tablet market. We'll know more once the device officially launches next month, but so far, things look promising. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe and like for more tech insights and upcoming reviews.